Cooking the perfect steak is a culinary journey that demands both technique and passion. The right approach transforms a simple piece of meat into a mouth-watering dish, full of robust flavors and enticing aromas. To embark on this journey, begin by selecting the right cut. Prime options include ribeye and sirloin, known not only for their marbling, but also their rich tastes that elevate any dining experience. Preparation begins the moment you place the steak on your countertop. Allowing the meat to reach room temperature is vital, as this step ensures even cooking. Cold steak straight from the fridge can lead to unevenly cooked edges. Season the steak generously with coarse salt and freshly cracked pepper. This seasoning not only enhances the flavor, but also creates a beautiful crust when seared, leading to a satisfying bite bursting with flavor. Next, it's time to heat your grill or skillet to a high temperature. A well-heated surface is essential for achieving that sought-after sear. For a classic sear, use a touch of oil with a high smoke point, such as canola or grapeseed oil. When the oil shimmers, gently place the steak on the hot surface, allowing it to sizzle. Resist the urge to move it around. Every second spent in contact with the pan builds a lovely caramelized crust. Depending on your desired level of doneness, the cooking time will vary. For medium rare, aim for a total cooking time of about 4 or 5 minutes per side. Use a meat thermometer to check internal temperatures reaching around 130 degrees, 54 degrees C, for that perfect pink center. Once cooked to perfection, remove the steak and let it rest for a few minutes. This resting period is crucial, as it allows the juices within the meat to redistribute, ensuring every bite is succulent and juicy. Enhance your ideal steak further by considering complementary side dishes. Garlic mashed potatoes, grilled asparagus, or a fresh green salad can balance the richness of the meat, creating a well-rounded meal. A flavorful sauce, like a red wine reduction or chimichurri, can provide an additional touch. Finally, presentation matters. Use a sturdy cutting board to slice the steak and showcase its beautiful color. With these established techniques and thoughtful considerations, anyone can easily create a perfect steak. Celebrate your culinary triumph and enjoy every delicious bite, knowing you've mastered this timeless steak cooking method.